bunch of fives. A punch with your fist. He hit him with a bunch of fives. He was so angry, he gave the man a bunch of fives. Catch a whiff. To smell something for a short moment. I caught a whiff of perfume in the air. He caught a whiff of food and felt hungry. Be in Dutch. To be in trouble, especially with someone you care about. If you lie to your boss, you'll be in Dutch. He forgot his wife's birthday, and now he's in Dutch. Lion's share. The biggest or largest part of something. She ate the lion's share of the cake. We spent the lion's share of our money on rent. Like a dog with two tails. Very, very happy. The kids were like a dog with two tails at the park. She looked like a dog with two tails when she saw her gift. Dressed to kill. Dressed very nicely to impress people. She came to the party dressed to kill. He was dressed to kill for the wedding. Smell a rat. To feel something is wrong or someone is lying. I smell a rat when he changes his story. She smelled a rat after the money disappeared. Watch grass grow. To do something very boring. This movie is so slow, like watching grass grow. Waiting for the bus feels like watching grass grow. To bell the cat. To do something very brave, but risky or dangerous. Talking to the angry boss is like belling the cat. No one wanted to bell the cat and stop the fight.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!